Good day, everyone. This is Glynes Garcia, and today I will discuss to you the parts and function of microscope. There are many living things are around us, and some living things are quite big, while others are small. But did you know that there are living things which are even smaller that you can see them using your naked eyes? And to be able to learn and understand their nature and characteristics, we need to use special instruments like this one. Microscope. It is used to see or magnify and many things that cannot be seen by the naked eye. The microscope is an important investigative tool used for studying objects and organisms around us. Microorganisms like bacteria can observe through the use of microscope. Compound microscope is the most common type of microscope. Now, let's talk about the parts and function of microscope and how it really works. The parts of compound microscope can be divided into three groups: the magnifying, illuminating, and the mechanical parts. The magnifying parts of the microscope include the objective, lenses, and the eyepiece. And the illuminating parts, which provide and manage the light source in order to clearly see image of the object, includes the diaphragm and the mirror. On the other hand, the mechanical parts provides supports and protection to the other parts of the microscope. The mechanical parts include the coarse adjustment knob, fine adjustment knob, the stage and stage clip, the arm, base, revolving nosepiece, and the body. Now, let's elaborate the function of each parts of microscope. The first one is the eyepiece. It contains a lens that magnifies for about 10 times. It is also where we peep through. Body tube. It connects the eyepiece lens from the revolving nosepiece and objective lenses. Nosepiece. It holds the low power and high power objective lens. The revolving nosepiece turns to allow the lenses for viewing position. Objective lens gathers light from the specimen, magnifies the image of a specimen, and projects the magnified image into the body tube. The larger one called high power objective lenses, which can magnify for about 40 times. The shorter one is called low power objective lenses, which can magnify for about 10 times. Coarse adjustment knob. By turning this, it moves the body tube for focusing with the power objective lens. Fine adjustment knob. By turning this, it sharpens the image under high and low magnification. It is also important to make the image clear. Therefore, if you see that the image is blurred, just turn the fine adjustment knob until you find the perfect image. Arm. It supports the body tube. Microscope slide. This is where you put the specimen. Stage. The stage supports the slide being used. Stage clip. The stage clip holds the microscope slide in place. Inclination joint. It allows microscope to tilt if needed. It is a joint at which the arm is attached to the pillar of the microscope. Base. It provides support to the microscope and is stable. Mirror. It collects light from the surrounding and reflects light upward through the diaphragm. We need to put light in the specimen so that we can see it clearly. That is why other microscopes use bulb to supply the light on the specimen. Diaphragm. It controls the amount of light passing through the opening of the stage. And that would be all. Now you know the different parts and function of compound microscope. Did you know that there are other high-tech microscope that was able to observe even bacteria, molecule, and even cells? That is amazing, right? And that would be all. Thank you.